Hi guys, evening sa inyo guys. Pasin nyo sa akong channel. Please subscribe to me. Ivan Zane YouTube. Please subscribe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, subscribe. So let's go. Atin tas tong seed. Basig na seed stock. Laban tong seed. Yung no seed guys. Ang pangan ang seed kay kaning seed Ember Lily. So wala stock karong guys. Adto sa to sa kuan. Uy, yung sunin langit ah. Oh, darday. Adto na to sa kuan guys. Kaning nito to sa recordings para matut sa gear shop. Ay, lahi din na night stuff. Oh, I don't have enough Robux, bro. Let's go. Let's buy a gear shop. Go. No stock right now. Let's go. At sa butang sa ng inventory. Magpalit sa tag kaning Kampi. Let's go. Let's buy it. 12 mil. I have na din of money ay. Karon guys, mag-collect data guys. Mag-collect data karon guys itong garden. Bala na unsa na atong nakuha, rainbow or gold ba na ato ni pong maon. Gigalag na pod. Lag. Kira na guys, basta makakita mo ni nga channel. Oh, na dito nakuha dira nga rainbow dapita guys, na dito makuha nga rainbow dira. Turaw rainbow kin moon blossom. Let's go, takabo sa update itong candy blossom. Search na itong rainbow kay basig dako to guys. Search na ito dirang rainbow. O dira rainbow candy moon blossom 15 kg. So, how much is this worth guys? Tagpila ka ng moon blossom big dako ng moon blossom. Oh, 78 million. Wow, what a nice one, bro. Wow, lots of money. I want to sell my inventory. 106 million. Wow, nag-seed stock na. What's in the seed stock? No, no. The seed stocks. Ew. Go on record range to buy some gear shops.